Good afternoon, everyone. If we can have the presentation up, please. Right, thank you very much for the introduction. And I understand all of us are dying to break for the lunch, so I'll keep it very crisp and very swift to the point. So I am Vaishnav, co-founder of an organization called Aerobay. We work with 200 plus schools across 23 states, and this is my core founding team. The core expertise that we bring to our program, our STEM labs, composite skill labs, you can call it design thinking, maker spaces, is that all four founders, all of us are actual aerospace engineers. So we're not businessmen, China guys, saman leke and started setting up something. Everything that you'll see in our lab setup, the program that I'll show, sab humne khud banaya hai. All of us have done our bachelor's, master's from UK, worked with Lufthansa, my co-founder Nehaz worked with NASA. So we have the core expertise of actually building products. Right. This is our core offering. So what we offer is a futuristic STEAM-based, science, tech, engineering, arts, mathematics-based, experiential learning ecosystem solution. Hands-on, practical, no theory, no pen paper, no books, no exams. Grade 1 to 12, curriculum integrated programs. So your hobby classes nahi hai, robotics, drone, plane, वैसे ना करके, I'll pick up all your concepts from all the logical subjects, science, math, CVS, geography, even sports, and then I assign a hands-on practical ecosystem to that. In terms of our global presence, we were also on Shark Tank India Season 1, Maharashtra State Innovation Award, Best Startup in Dubai. All of these players either become part of a competition or a certification. We even cover everything that anybody talks about. And if you're a CBSE school, then the composite skill lab का जो आपको mandate आया हुआ है, my lab covers that particular mandate. And I even covered all the skill modules which CBSE talks about. So how does my program actually look like? So it has basically 7 features, number one of which is our lab setup. If we can play the video, please. So this is how our labs actually look like. If I talk about Kolkata, we are already present at DPS Mega City, all 3 branches of Calcutta Public School, almost all branches of Narayana, then your Trinity, Barrackport, Don Bosco, video. So dreamy spaces. So when a kid enters, they'll actually be mesmerized. And ये सब हम खुद बनाते हैं. So nothing is bought from market from here. All of these are takeaway. जो बच्चे बनाते हैं घर लेके जाएंगे. So these are actual tangible outcomes. Everything from CNC, 3D printers, heat press, lathe machine, t-shirt printing, anything that the kid can imagine, they can build it here in the lab. So not just limited to the curriculum which I tell them. कल को NASA का competition आता है. Actual Mars rover बनाने तो lab में बना सकते हैं. Then we have anything you have embroidery, we can do carpentry, we can do photography. तो पूरा skill का ecosystem cover हो जाता है. Not just robotics. And we build and manufacture all of these products ourselves. Then we have machineries like all the tools, jigsaws and all of those things, so they can build and manufacture anything in the lab. Then we have some state-of-the-art machines like wind tunnels, satellite, drones, planes. ये आपको IIT बॉम्बे और चेन्नई के अलावा colleges में भी नहीं मिलेगा. Even a 3rd grader can understand why your leather ball swings, why your tennis ball doesn't. You want to teach Bernoulli's to a 11th grader simple shape, so 4th you do it in a wind tunnel. And everything is built in-house, सब चलता है. तो शोबाजी नहीं है. It will actually have some purpose in the lab. We even have a weather station. We can connect actual weather data, geography connect हो जाता है. And then state-of-the-art setups in the lab. The plane actually moves on the runway. We do crazy ceiling setups also. Then we do a lot of competitions. So everything that they'll have to do, they'll have to present it in front of the parents also. I don't know any theory exams, so whatever the impact we'll have to show, we'll show it on your open days. So we do a lot of air shows. So parent के सामने impact दिखाते हैं. Competitions, exhibitions, quizzes, everything in front of the parents. तो अगला 15 अगस्त, it is your own student doing flower dropping from the drone on the national flag. तो उस लेवल तक प्रोग्राम जाता है. This is a school in Jaipur. So everything actually happens, not just talk. Yeah, we can come back to the presentation. Now, apart from the lab, so we cover everything from AMC, repair, maintenance, consumables, tोड़-फोड़, सब हमारी जिम्मेदारी. So we are not kind of a company कि एक बार lab setup किया and then we are gone. We take care of the outcome responsibility. I put my own trainers, all aerospace mechanical engineers, hired by me, trained by me, placed at the school permanently. Parallelly, these guys, apart from running the program, will also manage all the competitions. So we do minimum 15 competitions. Everything from all IITs, ISRO, NASA, Airbus, Boeing, Tata, Maruti, सबके hackathons, World Robotic Olympiad, CBSE, ICSE के nationals, सब covered है. And the trainer can also collaborate with your existing school teacher अगर class का कोई chapter practically कराना है lab में. For example, physics में grade 7 में Fleming's left-hand rule का chapter आता है. Theory में पढ़ा दिया, the teacher can now give it as a design thinking task. Why don't you kids go to the Aerobay lab in the next period, build a product that works on Fleming's left-hand rule. So in that way, there is no limitation कि program में क्या-क्या हो सकता है. I've even had scenarios जहाँ पे sports teachers ने collaborate किया हुआ है. So there was a school, a teacher wanted to show why the curve of a hockey stick is at that particular degree. तो बच्चों ने एक्चुअली में 2 नए हॉकी स्टिक बनाए, वी हैव अ कारपेंटरी सेटअप, वी हैव अ सीएनसी मशीन, 5 डिग्री कम 5 डिग्री ज्यादा, बच्चा ग्राउंड में जाके हिट करके देख रहा है व्हाट इज द साइंस मैथ बिहाइंड दैट. नाउ दिस किड इज नेवर फॉरगेटिंग both the concept and how a hockey stick is made. So that is the core vision of the program. Then parallelly, not just the products, the kids, there are a lot of design thinking based sessions also. For example, 3rd 4th का बच्चा है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो पैराशूट बनाए. अब ट्रेनर ने उनको बता दिया आज बैठ के सब पैराशूट बनाएंगे, it becomes a craft class. Rather than that happening, we give them a design thinking task a week before. तो हमने उनको टास्क दिया 4th फ्लोर से अंडा गिराना है, टूटना नीचे. Now you have a whole week to think. Go back home, talk to teachers, parents, cheating करना है, Google करना है, जो करना है करो. Next week when you come back, the trainer is not saying no to any product, any activity. Parachute बता नहीं रहे, they'll they can lightly nudge them towards कि ऐसा भी कुछ product होता है. But if they come up with a crazy idea, and believe me, I have done it in 15-20,000 students. I even had a scenario, एक group of बच्चों ने they put helium balloons around the egg and उसको 4th floor से गिराया, सच में नहीं टूटा. We wouldn't think of this, right? We'll feel कि बहुत crazy है, but a student can actually think of that. In that way, पूरा ट्रेनर इकोसिस्टम कस्टमाइज्ड करिकुलम है. सो आई मैप्ड इट टू एवरी एक्टिविटीज मैप टू योर ईवीएस, साइंस, मैथ्स, आईसीटी, ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी के सारे स्किल एंड इट इज कस्टमाइजेबल. कुछ ऊपर नीचे करना है तो वी कैन सिट विद योर टीचर्स. देन द सर्टिफिकेशन, वी आल्सो हैव आवर ओन एलएमएस एरोबिका ऐप. फॉर एग्जांपल आज बच्चा बीमार है, स्कूल नहीं आता है, दे कैन गो बैक होम, वॉच द रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स. कंपटीशन करना है, असेसमेंट रजिस्टर करना है, ऑल ऑफ दैट दे कैन डू इट ऑन द पोर्टल. नाउ हाउ डू वी शो द इम्पैक्ट टू द पेरेंट? Because I don't do any theory exams, I love all the assessments, the impact that I'm measuring on the portal. Parent घर पे बैठ के देख सकते हैं पिछले हफ्ते बच्चे ने क्या बनाया. अब for example, the parent is not Excel, उनको ये LMS ऐप ये सब नहीं समझ में आता है. It is all okay. At the end of the year, whatever the kid has done, I'll convert it into a QR code, put it on your report card. तो PTM में तो आएंगे parent, they'll scan with the the scanner, पूरे साल भर का रिकॉर्ड आ जाएगा. Every student after every session has to record their own video. क्या बनाया, क्या सीखा, क्या साइंस में इंप्रूव हुआ. At the end of the year, we'll have minimum 30 videos because we have 30 working weeks. Minimum 30 images. Suppose 6 competition, 2 certification. This will be their digital portfolio. Imagine this grade 3rd student. By the time they come into grade 12, they'll at least have 500-600 images, videos, 100 competition, 40 certificate. इस बच्चे को कभी 2 पेज का छोटा CV नहीं बनाना है. They will share the link of this portfolio to any internship job जो भी वो करना चाहते हैं. So that is how we measure the impact of that. 9th and above के लिए I also do internships, entrepreneurship and financial literacy. How do I do internships? Is my Shark Tank ecosystem. All 4 seasons, all 600 startups are on my WhatsApp group. So rather than we going to Tata, Maruti और उनको बोले internship करो, I grab a Shark Tank founder, school में आओ, actual problem बताओ and हमारा student lab में solve करेगा. I think I have a time. I'll take a small example. So there was a startup from season 2 called Nirmanya. What they do, they used to go to temple, collect flower waste and उसको अगरबत्ती धूपबत्ती में convert कर देते. The good company, 100-150 CR का revenue annual. I told the founder, कुछ ऐसा idea तो which I can give it to my students, right? He said every time I go to a temple, let's say I collect 200 kilo flower waste. Parallelly, forcibly, they also ask me to collect all the artificial jewelry and जो कपड़े पहनाते हैं भगवान को, because वो भी उनको fresh करना है, change करना है, and these guys don't have a solution for that. Suppose लखनऊ में अक्षरधाम है, गाजियाबाद में ऑफिस है, 300 किलोमीटर you paying for the transport and वहाँ जाके कचरे में फेंक रहे हैं, इनको भी बुरा लगता था. I said give this to me. I gave it to grade 9th and 10th of DLF school in Ghaziabad. We did a tri-party agreement. Company, school, बच्चे. If my students are able to give you a solution which you are able to sell, you will pay them royalty. Now this became an actual internship challenge, right? तो सिर्फ ये industry tour नहीं हुआ. Ultimately असली idea तो नहीं आया, but 2-3-4 महीने we did it into converted into milestones. There were a lot of crazy ideas that came. Ultimately those 35 students who participated now have a live connect with the Shark Tank founder. So it makes it easier for them to go ahead, right? Then a takeaway kit. जो बच्चा बनेगा घर लेके जाता है. So it is not kind of a program कि lab में आए, teacher ने तो activity करा, देखा, 6 महीने बाद पूछो क्या समझ में आया, nobody remembers, right? So whatever they build, anywhere between 6 to 12 products per student per annum is takeaway. So ultimately we take care of the full ecosystem from lab, trainer, kit, curriculum, competition, portfolio, certifications, takeaway kit, everything under one umbrella, active from grade 1 to 12. Plus we put a lot of focus on soft skills also. This is how the curriculum is integrated across. So let's say any session, कौन से science maths के साथ mapped है, it is even mapped to your the Bloom's taxonomy and the ICT also. Since I can't fit it for 9th and above, kind of the career opportunities that we focus on, and then we also make sure that I think the last night we also make sure that at the end of all of this, the kid is at least able to go back home and explain कि क्यों किया और क्या किया. Otherwise, the whole joy of the program dies, right? Because यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ बना लिया और घर जाके समझा नहीं पा रहे हैं, so then for you, for me, for everybody, the joy dies. So we make sure they are able to read, write, speak enough to explain whatever they've learned in the program. Right? So reading, writing, comprehension भी cover हो जाता है. The portfolio which I'm building for them kind of becomes an Instagram page जिसको हमने limited किया हुआ है. So it doesn't go out, they can't look at other things, but खुद का record बनता जा रहा है. Parallelly on the portal we also have an inbuilt AI engine. Any other skill module जो मैं यहाँ cover नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, if the kid wants to go through that, they can go through the content on the portal itself. Come back to the school on Saturdays or after school trainer से help चाहिए लो. Whenever they want to give an exam for that skill certificate, we'll guide them and help them. So similarly, we'll cover the full ecosystem. We've also launched our kindergarten initiative, which is not live as of now. Will be live in the next 20 days. Once that is live, we'll share more information on that. And that is all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vaishnav sir.